MashaAllah, MashaAllah, bhai.
You be our guide, it's no problem.
Then he will take us back to Pakistan.
Allahu Akbar. ظهرت صخرة الحبيب. طيب wait brother, wait.
Mike.
Okay, brothers, we have now come onto the Ri' Matwi, and it's mentioned that the Prophet ﷺ had passed the Sakhra Aqha. If you see behind me, there's a huge rocky mountain. The whole mountain is one huge rock, which is commonly known as Mulaysa. And the Prophet ﷺ had passed through that. So historians have written that the Prophet ﷺ has taken this route, Ri' Matwi, and then passed towards that huge rocky mountain. Has a very beautiful scenic rock, mashallah, standing out. And if you move down towards the other side of the mountain where we came from, that's the open land where normally people used to camp and tent.